Their tractor supply. We got to get some things today. Got nothing else really planned. Good. Kind of like Wednesdays like that. Wednesdays, there's nothing going on. A friend of mine sent me I guess it was a marketing, I don't know, a video from Alley Crafters when they came up with this. Their HT-44, the unit that they re-engineered so they could go mobile with it for World War II. And I haven't watched the whole video yet. It's obviously in black and white, and it shows the workings at Alley Crafters and their effort during the war. That's a pretty neat video. Does sound pretty cool. I'll be darned. There's a lot of that older video stuff is showing up. There's I'm trying to remember the name of the group. There's a group out there on YouTube that takes a lot of the. You remember the old? Back when you were in grade school, you used to always see those old films, 16mm films that were done by the government on various things. There's a group out there that takes those things and basically digitizes them into video and sticks them up on YouTube. Gosh, I'm trying to remember the name of it. Periscope Film. That's the name of the group that does that. And boy, they've got a ton of those things, from back in the 40s, 50s, 60s, and even into the 70s that they have put up on YouTube on just about every subject you can think of. I can remember some of those movies back in grade school and high school. Oh my gosh.
So changing these settings can really make a difference on how your sleep sounds. So that's
I used to always love it when it was the case of when the teacher didn't.
That's one way to change the audio so that it's more readable. Sometimes on digital, people get really weird sounding, especially if they're coming in cross mode. So you can really help your audio out by making those adjustments, and you just hold down this button right here. So that's it. Then you just click on it and change it. Whatever you want to do, then click it again, and when you're all done, just hit your little back button. 7-3.